Hello, everybody. Welcome to Pro Se Legal School. We provide the tools you need to get the job done. Promoting my ex-wife's book, Carrie Neighbors. She wrote this book here, Shattered by Corruption. Has just a little something about what we went through. Just a little something. You guys can go to my YouTube channel and search for my story, and you can see a little bit more something about that much more about what we went through. Yeah, and this is why we do what we do today. In today's video, we're here to do something different. And my son Alexander Neighbors, this is his business. We're going to set him up with his online course, and he has people already using his business. Leveraged income, a guide to high yield ETF investing. Yeah, we're talking about my kid's book here, Leveraged Income, a guide to high yield ETF investing using margins and loans. Okay, let me ask you a question. What if you could turn borrowed money into passive monthly income that covers your rent, pays down your debt, or even replaces your 9 to 5? Just math, strategy, and the right ETFs. Let me show you how this works. Now, this leveraged income, my son's guide to building powerful passive cash flow using high yield ETFs, margin accounts, and low interest loans. That's what this is. And if you stop and think about that, it's already starting to make sense. If you're tired of watching your savings sit idle while inflation eats it up, oh, this is the playbook I wish I had years ago. Okay, let's just get right to it. The problem and the solution. Most people finance liability, cars, phones, vacations, but never learn how to finance income. My son Alex is going to show you how he used $25,000 personal loan and turned it over $1,100 a month in net cash with nothing but ETFs and smart leverage. Sounds interesting. This book teaches you how to use the tools the wealthy use, like securities lending, margin arbitrate. Oh, hell, I didn't even know what that word. Margin arbitrate. Yep, we're going to call it margin arbitrate. ETF stacking and weekly payout structures. Now, let me explain the system to keep it simple, okay? There are 5 steps ecosystem that you learn. First step, how to take out low interest loans using margin. The second step, buy high yield ETFs that pay 20 to 40% annually. Third step, unlock margin, accesses and reinvest, access and revest. And the fourth step is enroll in share lending to get daily interest. And fifth step is get paid weekly or monthly, money that wasn't even yours to begin with. Now, this isn't some kind of crypto Ponzi scheme or trading hype. These are publicly traded ETFs managed by firms like Fidelity, Primco, Global X, and there are a lot of other companies. Okay, so this is what you get. In this book, you'll get 12 full chapters with real strategies and math, portfolio models for conservative balance, and aggressive investors. These case studies from real people include my son, my wife, my other son, my other son's wife, my son's girlfriend. And not only does it include these people, but there are several military people that also have invested in this program. Turn borrowed cash into cash flow. Oh, let's say that again. Turn borrowed cash into cash flow. Y'all know what that means, right? You're also going to get tax tips, a risk management playbook, margin tools, and you're also going to get broker secret. Broker secret. Now, my son only printed a few of these books because the first class, he wants to make sure that they get the personal touch and care that the Neighbors family puts in all of our products. So there's a limited number of seats available for the first launch. If you're watching right now, you you get it first. You got the first shot at getting in this new program. Click the link below or scan the QR code to order your copy and start building leveraged income today. I'm going to leave the email address in the description. If you guys have any questions for my son Alex, you can email him over your questions, and then you guys can go from there. Thank you for the value. Thank you for the value sharing your time. The next video, I'm going to open up the book and we're going to start looking at the chapters in it and show you guys a little bit about what's going on in there. Thank you guys for the value sharing your time, and you guys need to click that button down below and get this so you can keep up. I'll see you guys in the next video.